Okay, we are at this house that is not far from the Spring Hill Cemetery. And rumors about this house, we don't know facts, but rumors are that someone was murdered in this house many years ago, and that it's extremely haunted. So we wanted to check it out during the day, and it is very creepy. Kind of got an eerie feeling. I'm walking around it now, and it's just weird. Windows are broken out. There's old furnishings in there. It looks like it's just been abandoned and definitely...
This door just slammed.
What?
I mean, it felt like somebody pushed it shut.
What?
That door over there.
What door?
It felt like somebody pushed it shut. I thought it was you messing with me.
Oh my God! I wonder why. I
You
thought
fucking with me?
I thought I heard you yelling. So the door, I guess, the car door that I left open over there just slammed shut. She
It
said.
was like somebody pushed it. It was slammed hard.
She said it was like somebody pushed it. But anyway, the reason we came here is because we were told by a couple other people that do what we do that this place is extremely haunted. So we kind of wanted to check it out at night. And now we've already had a strange experience that scared the crap out of my sister.
Crazy. It was like somebody pushed it. It slammed.
Oh my God.
Look how level the ground is. We're level.
I know. Well, I don't see any no trespassing signs. So, I don't know. I mean, I could try to do some quick EVPs here right now just to see what we get. It is in the middle of the day. Like I said, I don't even know if we're allowed here. But I'm brave, so I'm just going to do it. This is really creepy. Look at this. Wow. Marie, you look out and tell me if anybody's coming. No, I'm going to do some spirit session right here. She thought I was going in. Okay, why isn't this coming on? God, my spirit box doesn't even want to... Nothing wants to come on. Everything's malfunctioning here. What the hell? This is not cool. What in the world? I don't know. This is very strange, guys. Hello there. Is there anybody here? We hear there's some spirits here. Are you trapped here? Are you trapped inside here? Were you killed here? Is anybody here with me right now? Hello. How many people were killed in this home? What year did this happen? Can you talk to me? What was your name? We tried looking you up to get information, but we couldn't find anything. Oops, here comes somebody. I gotta turn this off. Hold on. Somebody's coming. It was just a lady that works for that company back behind here, and she said it was okay. She was actually really interested in what we do, and she said it's okay to be here, and that she's going to subscribe to our channel. So how about that? Her name is Dot. Let me turn this back on because I was making communication with somebody here. Let's see. Hello? I was speaking to someone a little bit ago. Are you still with me? Come speak to me through this black box right here, okay? Tell me what happened here. I'll walk around a little bit. Go ahead and talk to me. I can hear you through this box. Is anybody here? Is it true that someone died here? Is it true someone was murdered here? Sounds like I heard a yip. I heard a yip again, yeah. What is your name? Can you tell me your name? It's creepy. Can you tell me your name? Looks like somebody sleeps in here. Maybe homeless. Oh God, that scared me. Looks like homeless people sleep here. Were you murdered here? Who murdered you? What was the person's name? The curtain just started moving. Look at that. I got a really creeped out feeling here. Not a whole lot creeps me out either. I'm gonna move to this side. Can you tell me the name of the person that killed you? Were they caught? How old were you? Look at that. Wow. So is the rumor true? Somebody was murdered here? What was your name? Looks like a bullet hole. Have you went through the light yet? You know you can go through the light. You don't have to be here. Did you have kids? 7? Oh, wow. That's a lot of kids. I only had 3, and that was a lot. How long did you live here? Can you... Store.